Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, your girl Lori. Hey girl, hey, how y'all doing today? Y'all, we got another fun video. Well, I don't know if it's fun. You guys, I picked up the new Hourglass, their latest color and their blushes. And I don't know, y'all. She might go back to the store. So, if you want to see how I feel about the latest Hourglass blush, you know what you need to do, right? Keep on watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life.
All right, y'all, let's get into this. So we're gonna do a demo. I don't have any blush on my face, nothing, right? So I want to see if this blush is gonna work for me. So let me show you what the blush looks like. I'm gonna give you some details and stuff like that, okay? It is the Hourglass, and it's the ambient lighting blush, and that is what it looks like. And it's supposed to be, it's called At Night, and it is considered to be a brick red color. So I knew it was red when I bought it. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna try something new, but I don't know how I feel about it. And you guys, I'm filming a little differently, so let me know. So what we're gonna do first of all is I'm gonna swatch her on my arm so you can see what she looks like swatch. So I'm just kind of twirling it around, putting some on my hand, and then we're just gonna swatch it like that. So that is what she looks like. And it don't look too bad, but I know because it is red and I feel like it's very pigmented that I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush to try to make, you know, I don't wanna be clowny looking. So, and I feel like it can get clownish real quick. So I'm gonna take, and I'm not gonna use my natural hair brushes because they tend to pick up more product because they're natural hair brushes. So what I'm gonna do is, let's see, oh, I'm gonna use this brush. This is the Pro, I can't even see the number. Y'all know I got my number 72. It's a Sephora 72 brush. It's 72? Yeah, 72 brush. And it's, you know, has the little angle. So I'm going to utilize that and putting on my blush, right? So, do I want to pull y'all in some? Hold on, let's see. We pull you in just a little bit so you guys can see. So you can get a good look as to how this blush is going to perform. And let me get my mirror so I can see, so I don't be out here playing myself in these streets. You know what I mean? Okay, so now this blush is supposed to be like a natural radiant finish. And that's the thing with the Hourglass. It's supposed to be so natural looking. So, you know, I'm going to turn to the side so you can see, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with my brush and just kind of, oh, y'all see that? Yeah, she pigmented. And I'm going to tap it off some. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this thicker side right here, and I'm going to use it on this side and the lower side, the skinnier side towards my face, towards the inner part of my cheek. Because by it being very pigmented and it's going to be a color I feel like it's going to show up, I'd rather have the most concentrated color like right in this area and then a lighter right here on my cheeks. You guys know how I like to do my blushes, right? So let's get into it. We're going to just tap. Can y'all see that? She definitely is showing up. And I feel like I need to wipe this brush off some because, yeah, she's pigmented, you guys. She is pigmented. All right, so we're going to put it on like this. What do y'all think? Wow. It's actually kind of matching my eyes. I'm coordinating. I don't know. Y'all tell me what you think. I feel like I need to buff it out a little bit. Let me get a different brush. Hold on. We're gonna go with another one of, and it's a fluffy brush too, and it's a the number 50 from Sephora. And I'm just gonna kind of like take this brush and try to diffuse it out a little bit. Y'all, that's not too bad. Okay, let me take y'all back out. Hold on. Yeah, I'm really deciding as we speak if I'm gonna take this blush back. Now that I'm using with the big fluffy brushes, I feel like it looks better. It doesn't look as red. Let's try it again. I'm not gonna put any more product on here. I'm just gonna use what's left and see what happens. Because it is very pigmented. Do y'all see? Hold on. I want y'all to really see. Okay, all right, now that I'm putting it on without, I'm just basically using the leftover from this side just onto this side. I like it a whole lot better. So I would suggest, if you want to get this blush, you need to go very light-handed. I mean, very light. Can you see that? It gives me a nice flusher color. Like I could tell I got a little something on. And I guess like if you want to glam it up, like you really trying to be glamorous, you could go a little bit more heavy-handed. So you see the difference. Literally, y'all saw it. This is literally just the leftovers from the first time. And I'm building that up. I do prefer this side. I feel like this side is more natural. It's softer to me versus this side. This side is nice. I mean, I can work with this side, but I prefer this side. So I think what we got to do is, when using this blush, it all depends on how you like to wear your blush. But when using this blush, for me personally, you guys, I feel like going with a lighter hand is way, way better. Y'all, this is not going to be no long video. I just wanted to come on here and let you see, because I know a lot of people might wonder how well is this going to actually show up on darker skin. And I feel like it actually shows up very nicely, you know, very nicely. I feel like and if you're lighter than me, definitely go in with a light hand, because as you can see, this is just the leftovers from this. So definitely go in with a lighter hand. And now it says it's supposed to give you like this natural radiant. Well, my nose is giving me natural radiant right now. Hold on. Y'all get to see all the realness. But I don't know if it's really that. Okay, the side where I put more, this side. Okay, this side to me has a little bit more radiant look to it. This side, not as much, because I didn't really put that much on there. Let me just dip in here. Oh, wrong brush. I'm gonna use this brush. I'm just gonna dip and see if I can. I'm dipping and then patting it on my towel. I'm patting it on, you guys gotta watch Lala's video. She got a towel that's real dirty and she's washed it several times and it's still dirty. And y'all, she called it Dirty Diana. I thought that was so funny. So I got my own version of a Dirty Diana. How many of y'all got a Dirty Diana? When you go watch her video, let her know if you got a Dirty Diana. It's her, I think it's the last live she did. But yeah, now that when I add a little bit more, I can see the radiance. But when you just kind of go in lightly, I don't feel like I was able to see the radiance of it all. You know, what they saying that, you know, it's supposed to be so radiant. But once I added more on there, I do see it. So guys, what are my final thoughts on this blush? I promise y'all I was finna take this blush back. I'm for real. Like, I had used it, and I used it with a natural hair brush is what I had used it with. And y'all, let me just show y'all. With the natural hair brush, I mean, so much comes out. I don't know if you can see that. Way too much picks up on that on the brush. So I was like, I knew I couldn't use that. But now that I figured out how to work with this, so this is a blush. You can't just put it in there and slap it on your face. You got to figure out, to me, what's the best way to use this blush based on your skin tone. Okay? So I feel like now that I figured out how to wear it, I think I'm going to keep her. I'm going to keep her because I do need some different shades of blush in my arsenal, because you guys know I love to go for those pinky colors, mauvey colors. So this is giving me a little bit more red, but not too much. So I think I will keep her. So if you got any other questions, leave them in the comment section. And you guys know, please go follow your girl on Instagram at It's Lori's Life. And that's it, y'all. And let me know, did you pick this up? And if so, how do you like it? And do you like to go in a little heavier, or are you more light and natural? Let your girl know in the comment section. But that is it. I hope this video was helpful for anybody that was wondering if it's brown girl friendly. It is definitely brown girl friendly. I give it 2 thumbs up because you definitely could see her on my skin. So yes, she's brown girl friendly. And guys, that is it. So to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, you know what you need to do, right? Hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life, yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life, yeah, it's Lori's Life.